determinant. This is our determinant. What we have to do is we have to differentiate first row keeping as it is remaining two rows and then substitute x equal to 0. Here next time we have to differentiate second row keeping first and third rows same. Again first second rows keeping same. You have to differentiate third column. So here f dash x will be so here it is x cube if you differentiate 3x square 6x plus 0 3x square minus 1. After that we substitute 0. Remaining places 0 plus so putting 0 in first and third column in place of x, differentiate a constant we get 0. Differentiating 2x2 where you have 4x plus 0 and then after that 0 substitution. Putting zeros in place of x and differentiating this column 3x square 2x that is 3 0 0. Right. Now evaluating determinant with respect to third column 3 into here 8 minus 0. Here 1 into here you get 0 minus 0. Evaluating determinant with respect to first row. Here I evaluate determinant with respect to first column. Minus 1 into 6 minus 0. So f dash 0 is 18. So 2f of 0 plus f dash 0, f of 0 here is 0 2 0 1 0 4 1 6 minus 2. Evaluating determinant with respect to first column, leaving this column and row minus 2 minus 4. 6 into 2, 12. So here it is 1 into minus 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 also there. 1 into, I evaluated with respect to first column, right? Here minus 2 into minus 2. So what you have to find out is 2f of 0 plus f dash 0, 2 into 12 plus f dash 0, 24 plus 18, which is 42. Here maximum integral value of a for which it is less than 0. So here, what I first let us start by taking A as 0. Then we get 4 by is 32. X squared, x plus 4 whole square 16. It is always positive, so it is ruled out. A is 1 if I take in place of A1, x square plus 4x plus 13 by x plus 4 whole square. It is also x plus 2 whole square plus 4. So plus 16. So this case is ruled out. So first option and third option are ruled out. A is -1, you take 0 minus 5. It is minus of x square plus 5 by x plus 4 whole square. It is always negative. So possibility. A equal to minus 2x square minus 2 plus 1 minus 2x minus 18 plus 4. It is also possible because minus 2 you take common. So this is also negative for all x. Among he is asking greatest negative integer. So -1. Our traditional way of answering this, ax square plus 2 times a plus 1x, 9a plus 4 by x square plus 8x plus 32, take it as y, ax square plus 2a plus 1x plus y is y into x square plus 8x plus 32, and then here x square into a minus y plus x 2a plus 2 minus 8y plus 9a plus 4. It's of the form ax square plus bx plus c. X is real, b square minus 4ac. That way you simplify, you get range of a. Once you get range of a, you'll get required answer. So here, this kind of problem, generally we go with the substitution alpha 1, beta 1, gamma 0 satisfies. Here 2 plus 0, 2 minus 0 is alpha beta, so not satisfying. Alpha is generally again 90, 60, 30. Beta you take half, gamma you take root 3 by 2, 90 plus 60, 90 plus 30 plus 60. Okay. Now if you substitute 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2, 9 by 4 minus 3 by 4, 6 by 4, 3 by 2, 3 alpha beta, yes, satisfies gamma values root 3 by 2. That's all. Other way is sine inverse alpha plus sine inverse beta is pi minus sine inverse gamma. So sine inverse alpha under root 1 minus beta square under root 1 minus alpha square is it is sine inverse say gamma, and then alpha under root beta under root 1 minus alpha square is gamma. Squaring and simplifying, we get squaring and simplifying, we get required answer. Here f of x to take as whenever he given, let us see, find the inverse. 4x plus 3 is 6xy. X you take 4 minus 6y is minus 4y plus 3. X here is 3 minus 4y by minus 3 minus 4y by 4 minus 6y. F inverse y. F inverse x will be 3 plus 4x by 6x minus 4. So F and F inverse are same. F circle Fx. F circle f of x. So I will write f circle f as f inverse, which is I of x, which is x, which is g of x. So now he is asking g of 4. G of x is x, it's a constant function. G of 4 is 4. Again 4, again 4. It's the answer. This one is of the form sigma r by 1 minus 3r square plus r power 4. 1 by 2 sigma 2r by r power 4 minus 2r square plus 1 minus r square. 2r by r square minus 1 whole square. Half if you take sigma 1 by r square minus 1 minus r 1 by r square minus 1 plus r. So this 2r I can write r square minus 1 plus r minus r square minus 1 minus r. So that to get cancelled, 2r I can write like this. Generally, this kind of problems telescopic series. So all they get cancelled. So here you get r square minus 1. This by this get cancelled. After that, this get cancelled. R square plus r minus 1, r run from 1 to, because we told 10 terms. Half into, put r as 1, minus 1, r as 1, 2 minus 1, r as 2, 2 minus 4 minus 1, minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Here it is 2, 4 plus 2, 6 minus 1, 5. Take 3, 9 minus 4, 5. So here 9 plus 3, 12 minus 1, 11. Take r as 10, 100 minus 1, 90 minus 1, 89. 100, 110 minus 1, 1 by 1 not 9. So this get cancels out. Half into minus 1. So it is minus 110 by 2 into 109. So minus 55 by 109. Here one of the diameter of the circle is a chord of another circle whose center is given. One of the diameter of a circle is chord of another circle it's a chord of another circle and whose center point of intersection of two lines. So then the radius of the circle is okay. Here, if you solve these lines, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, 3x minus 2y is 5, 6x plus 9y 36 multiplying with the 3, 6x minus 4y is 10, 13y is 26, y is 2, x becomes y is 2 means 9, x is 3. So this point is 3 comma 2. And here one of the diameter, here this is anyhow midpoint of this diameter or midpoint of the chord definitely bisects. So join these 2 points. That gives us the radius of the circle. So OL square is OP square plus PL square. PL is just a distance between the points. 5 minus 3, 16 plus 20, root 20. And this is radius here is 25 plus given circle radius 4 plus 13. 25 plus 4 minus 13. 29 minus 13 root 16 4. So OL square is OP square is 16. PL square is 20. OL here is 6. That is the radius of the circle. So this problem you can substitute 0 by 0. Here I think mod sin x also given. So when modulus is there, first we eliminate modulus. E power 2 sin x minus 2 sin x minus 1 by x square. Here x, if I take sin x as y, then here limit x approaches 0, y approaches 0, 2y minus 1 by sin inverse y equals to 1. Just divide and multiply. Limit y tends to 0, y square, because limit y tends to 0, sin inverse y by y is 1. So apply a L'Hospital rule, because 0 by 0 format, this is limit y tends to 0, Now also again same thing. 4e power 2y by 2y, which is 2. Even you do left limit also in the same way. Limit extends to 0 minus e power minus 2y plus 2 sine y minus y by y square. So this also you get as 2. Answer will be 2. Number of words from distribution. So first let us collect the distinct letters D, I, S, T, R. I repeated 2 times, 3 times. B, U, U, N. So I repeated 3 times. T repeated 2 times. Totally 6 plus 12 letters are there. 4 plus right 7, 9. Right. If from 9 letters, distinct letters, you have to select 4 at a time. 4 letters can be selected and 9 C4 ways. So after selecting, they can be permuted in 9C4 into 4 factorial, which is 9P4, which is 9876. So other possibility here, 2 letters are identical, like II or TT. I will choose only 2, total 9 are there. Here 9 are there. I will choose only 2 letters from the 9. So except if I choose I, for example, remaining 8 letters are there. I will choose 2 letters from 8 in 8C2 ways. And after selection, they can be permuted into 4 factorial by, because 2 i's. The same thing repeats with T. I'll write into 2. And the last case is when all i's are there. Sorry, one more case also may be there. So IITT is there. There's only one possibility, that is 4 factorial by 2 factorial arrangements. So that is 6 arrangements. Another possibility is taking all 3 T's, 3 I's at a time, and one letter we have to select from remaining, and after that we have to arrange them 8 factorial by 3 factorial. So adding all this, we get so 72 into 42 plus 8C2 is 8 into 7, 28 into 2 into here 2 get cancelled, 24. Plus this 4 factorial plus 6 again, 8 factorial by, sorry, 4 factorial. From 8 we select 1 and remain 4 letters we can arrange that. So whatever we get here. Here. P bar cross B bar is equal to C cross B, which is P bar minus C bar cross B bar is 0 bar. P bar minus C bar is this. P bar is C plus TB bar. Once their vectors are parallel, one vector is sometimes. So P dot E is 0. C dot A plus T times B dot A is 0. T here is minus C dot A by B dot A. C dot A will be 3 minus 3 plus 8 by B dot A, 12 plus 1 minus 14, which is minus 8. So P bar is I minus 3J plus 4K minus 8 times B bar, that is 4I plus J plus 7K, minus 31I minus 11J minus 56 plus 4. Again P bar dot I minus J minus K minus 31 plus 11 plus 52, 63 minus 31, 32. Here eccentricity of question copied wrongly. A square B square is 1. Here foci is given. Latus rectum has a formula root 50. 2b square is 5 root 2 times a. A square into 1 minus c square is 5 root 2a. 2a square, AE is 25, 5 root 2a. 5 root 2a, 2a square minus 10 root 2a plus 5 root 2a minus 50, 0. So we get a minus 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 a minus 5 root 2, 0. A here is 5 root 2. Once you get a, 2b square is root 50a, that is root 50 into root 50. B square becomes 25. For L hyperbola, eccentricity 1 plus a square plus a square b square by this 1 plus b square, which is 1 plus 25 root 26. Square of eccentricity means root 26. Here, so this type of problems, in fact, lengthy problems, identifying the method is also time taking. What I suggest you is, first thing, whenever point is given, substitute first which equation satisfies. Here it is log e power minus 1, which is 1, y also 1. There is a possibility. Here it is e by 1. So not satisfied. This can't be the answer. Here log 1, log 1 by e. So this becomes 1, where e not satisfied. Here log e by 1, y is 1. Yes. So there is a possibility of first and fourth. So which one is correct means differentiate the options. Suppose if I differentiate 1 by x, fourth option, 1 by y dash is y dash. So dy by dx into 1 plus 1 by y. So substitute that e comma 1. So here 2 equal to 1. So dy by dx is 1 by 2e. In the equation also, you find out dx by dy, substituting log e to the base c, log 1 to the base 1, y is 1, which is 2. So fourth one, you similarly you do differentiate first, you do that won't be satisfied. But regular procedure point of view, how to tackle the same problem. So here it is dx by dy is x log x to the base c plus x into 1 minus log y to the base c here by y, right? So 1 by x dx by dy is equal to 1 minus log y to the base c by y plus log x to the base c by y. So take log x to the base c as z. 1 by x dx by dy is dz by dy. So dz by dy plus minus 1 by yz 1 minus log y to, this is of the form dx by dy plus p of yz is equal to q of linear differential equation integral p dy q e power integral dy dy. So a little bit lengthy, solving it takes a lot of time. So you try to answer that way. Like here, two more steps I will do it. Integral p dy will be integral 1 by y dy, which is log y. E power minus integral p dy is e power minus log y, e power log, which is 1 by y. So z into 1 by y, 1 minus log y to the base c into, in place of q, e power integral p dy, we'll write 1 by y and then integrate it. This you integrate, you get the required answer. Here also, careful observation, what it gives. So 1 plus x into 1 minus x cube plus 3x plus, I think 1 is x squared, 3x square plus 1 power 5 by x power 50. So after simplifying, it is whole power 15, 17, 1 plus x by x power 50. Here it is 1 minus x. So what you have to find out is, suppose x cube coefficient you have to find, which is same as x power 18 coefficient in 1 minus x into 1 plus x whole power. Here 1 into maximum x power 7 not possible, minus x into x power 17 last term, that is you get x power 18. Similarly, x power 13 coefficient is same as minus 13, x power, that is x square coefficient of 1 minus x into, so 1 into 17 c2x square minus 17 c1, your x into your x coefficient x. 17 into 16 by 2, 136 minus 17. So we'll have a 116. I think here it is 18, 118. Okay. Here you take A as 1, 2, 3, 4. Set relation to be reflexive. A is there in A. A must be there in R. So R will be, because 1, 1 is there, 2 is there, 2, 2 must be there. It is not there. 3, 3, 4, 4 must be. Now it becomes reflexive. So how many elements must be added here? 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 to become a reflexive. And here 1, 2 is there. So whenever AB is there in R, BA must be there. Then we say symmetric. 2, 1 must be there. So this is the one which is added. 2, 2 added, 3, 3 added, 4, 4 added. So again, 1, 4 is there. 4, 1 must be added to have satisfy symmetric property. So this is the one which is added now. So 5 elements are added. Now 1, 4, 4, 1 is there transitivity. Whenever AB and BA both are there, AB and BC, which implies AC must be there. So 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1 is there. Now, if you consider 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 4 is not there. So that I am adding. It's already there. Okay. 4, 4 is there. No need to add. So 1, 2, 2, 1. So 2, 1, 2, 2. Right. So to satisfy all the three properties, how many elements must be added? So minimum 5 elements must be added to make relation as equivalence relation. So this problem can be done in different ways. Here, one procedure is B bar. If I take Fourier, A dot B is 2 means 1 into 4 cos theta is 2. Theta is 60 degrees. So I will take it as 4i. Here I'll take A bar as cos 60i plus I by root 3j. So A dot B will be how much it becomes 2. So all the conditions are satisfied. Then C bar will be 2A cross B minus 3B bar. A here is 4i. B bar this is B bar, right? A bar is half I plus root 3 by 2j cross 4i minus 12i. I cross I is 0, root 3 j cross I, which is minus k minus 12i. So mod C will be 3 plus 2 get cancelled here. Root 3 into 4. 4 root 3. 4 root 3k. That is 2 get cancelled. 4 root 3k. 16 into 3, 48 plus 144, which is root 192. So here it is. Angle between B and C is alpha. So mod B, mod C, cos alpha, right? Mod B is already we know 4. Mod C we know root 192. Which is angle between B and C is alpha, mod B mod C cos alpha. So B dot C will be I 4I dot 4 root 3 minus K minus 12I, which is minus 48. So cos alpha here is minus 48 by, is asking 192 sine square alpha. Here it is cos square alpha will be 12 by 192. So which is 12. So 192 sine square alpha will be 180. Other way, C bar is 2A cross B minus 3 bar. Mod C bar is 2 times A cross B minus 3B bar. Square it. 4 times mod of A cross B whole square minus 12 A cross B dot B. This is triple product. Two vectors are identical 0. Here it is 4 times mod A square mod B square sine square theta plus 9 mod B square. So angle between A and B is 60. Mod A square is 1. Mod B square sine square theta will be 60, right? 3 by 4. Mod B square is 16. 48 plus 144, 192. Right? Same way, whatever the way you do it, you get the same answer. After that, remaining procedure is the same thing only. So here, to get C dot B, 2 times A cross B dot B minus 3 times B dot B. This is 0. C dot B is minus 3 times mod B square. B is 4 minus 48. So after that, mod C mod B cos alpha is this. What he is asking is sin alpha. Cos alpha will be mod C is 192. Mod B is 4. Sin square alpha will be 1 minus cos square alpha. So 190. It is mod C square. So mod C will be root 192. So 192 cos square alpha is 12 square. 192 into 1 minus sin square alpha. Here I think here it is 12 square, 144. So 48. Here f dash x, to find a minimum maximum, x derivative 1 e power x minus 1, 2x minus 1 power 15, 2x minus 10 whole power 90. So where it is 0 means here x is 0, half, here it is 3, here it is 5. So here it is odd power, it crosses x-axis at 3 even power. It will not cross. At 1 it has odd power, it crosses. It will not cross. At half it has odd power, it crosses. At 0 also it has odd power. So f dash x is 0 at p, q, r, s. At this point maximum minimum means before p negative. So f dash x increases negative to positive at p. So negative to positive means slope increases in this case. So at this point, obtuse angle at this point acute. So at P, F has minimum. At Q, it is positive to negative. F dash x positive, F dash x negative. At Q means before Q it is negative to positive. So negative to positive means positive to negative. So at this point positive, at this point negative, obtuse acute. It has which one? It means F has maximum. At R, before R, just before R negative, after no sign changes. Point of inflection. At S, before that it is negative, after that positive. At S, negative to positive. Negative to positive means minimum. So minimum at 2 points, maximum at 1 point. Here P is number of maximas. Maximum is 1 and the minimas are 2. 2 times 2 you get. Here a line is perpendicular to two lines. R bar is A bar means meaning of this line passing through A bar parallel to B bar. It is a point, it is a line. Similarly, another line C bar plus mu D bar, it is passing through J plus K and parallel to I minus J plus K. So here you have two lines. One is parallel to this B bar. Another line is parallel to D bar. So parallel to B and D, a vector perpendicular to this B and D is B cross D. B bar here is 1, 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So its determinant is I into 1 plus 2, 1 minus 4, k into minus 1 minus 2, 3i plus 3j minus 3k. Now this line is passing through 5, 3 minus 2. Find perpendicular distance from this point. This line vector is 3i plus 3j minus 3k. Here it is AD is the perpendicular distance. Here, this is what we have to find out. PA vector is OA minus OP, 2j minus 3j minus 2, 0k. PD vector is 3i plus 3j minus 3k. Cos theta is A dot B by minus 15 root 25 plus 1, 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is 18 by root 26 root 27. So if you say acute angle, it will be positive. Sin theta will be root 7 by, so which is nothing but h by AP length. AP length is, what is AP vector? Root 25 plus 1. So root 13 root 2 times h will be root 4.